How's it going, guys? It's Christopher here from Cars Unlocked. Today I'm going to show you how to sync your garage door opener to your Nissan vehicle. This is something that I can't really show customers when they're taking delivery, so I'm doing this video so that you guys can see for yourself. Right now we're in a new Nissan Rogue. If you have bought a used car or a demo, the first step you're going to want to do to sync your garage door opener is erase any previous garages on your Homelink. So you can do that right on the mirror here. This is pretty universal between all Nissan vehicles. You click and hold the two outside buttons here, and it's going to give you this nice red light. You hold it for about 10 seconds. And that's going to erase any garage doors that you currently have paired. So if you bought a used vehicle or a new vehicle, that's what you're going to do. Now that your Homelink is cleared, let's start and show you how to sync your garage door opener. So you're going to do that same first step again. You're going to click and hold these two outside buttons on your mirror. And you can do this for security grates, garage doors, outside lights. You can sync any button to this, and you're gonna wait until it flashes red like this. Now that it's flashing red, I'm gonna take my fingers off, and I'm gonna simultaneously open my garage door and click and hold the button that I want to sync. So I'm gonna click and hold this, and I'm gonna hold it here. You see my garage door opening up, that's fine. It's flashing red. We're just gonna give it a minute. And now that it's flashed, it's flashing consecutively now, that means it's synced. I'm gonna let go, and I'm gonna show you how this is set up here. So, just gonna give it a minute to fully program. I'm gonna put the garage door opener down, and then I'm gonna push my button here, and you can see my garage door is opening and closing. There's my Nissan Altima in my garage. And I'm using my Homelink button without the remote. Now I've closed my garage. You may need some further programming. If this doesn't work automatically, you may need to sync your actual remote to the garage door opener itself, but that's pretty easy how I just showed you. Again, I'm gonna push the button and the garage door opens up. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to Cars Unlocked if you want to see more Nissan owner tips. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.